ZETA stock analysis and ZETA stock prediction. What I will be doing here, I'll be showing you my exact play with Zeta Global Holdings. How this would especially look like is just sticking to simple rules, right? Rules that I've refined over 5 years, and it's nothing crazy, right? So boom, all I'm waiting for is a second break. I would prefer a break above 1590 at least, because I already got the first one. And what happens if you keep breaking lower? That's why I'll keep you updated, right? But for the current price action, that's how it looks like. This whole zone, like this whole area here, is just going to be for alongside predictions. That's it. You're going to try and milk that thing, the whole thing up. And if it's not the case, then I guess I'm not going to be buying, you know? So that's how ZETA is looking like. If you want to stay tuned and want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights. And I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Nothing else that I will be adding here.